Welcome back. Today we're looking at all the new things I bought for fall this year. This actually isn't a humongous haul. I haven't gotten everything that I want for fall yet. I do want to purchase some things from the new Hearth Hand fall line. I'm gonna go ahead and do this haul by store, so let's start with my favorite, Target. First up is this pillow from the new Studio McGee collection. It is a brown pillow, obviously, with some cream or light brown colored florals. There is orange around the flowers that you can't see very well. I want to add some brown into my fall decor this year and kind of make it a little more earthy, so I want those deep burgundy colors, orange and brown, and I think it's going to be a really nice mixture of colors. I did switch out the insert for a down pillow insert that I already had because, like I've said previously, the Target pillow inserts are not as good as they used to be, so I do try to switch it out if I can. Actually, everything that I've gotten from Target for fall so far is from the Studio McGee line because they haven't put out any more fall stuff yet. I'm waiting to see the regular threshold line and the Hearth Hand line, which you can see online right now, but I want to see in person as well. I probably will order things if I don't find it in store before Sunday the 4th, which is when it comes out. I'll probably go ahead and order it online even if I don't see it in person. So like I said, everything is from the Studio McGee line, including this marble pumpkin, which is a really nice kind of like burgundy brown color with that light tan color marbled in there. I do have two of these because the first one I got came messed up. I don't know what those spots are, so when I requested another one, they said just throw away or donate or whatever I want to do with this one. So now I have two, and I guess I'll just turn this one to the back so you can't see the messed up spot. But I didn't want to pay, I think these are like $20. I don't want to pay $20 and get a messed up pumpkin, so they sent me a new one. And now I have a defective one and a good one. The same thing happened with this next item. I purchased online because the ones in my store were too gray for my liking. So I purchased it online hoping I would get one with like the browns in there. And you can see right there, it's messed up as well. So I did the same thing. I requested a new one, which has a lot more brown in it, and it's really, really pretty. I love the scallop detailing. But like I said, these are $15 each. I didn't want to have a defective one, so I requested a new one, and they said to do what I wanted with the old one, so now I have two. This is a beautiful piece though. It is a candle tray, and I already tried putting a candle on here. It looks so nice. Just a little way to elevate your candle a little bit and give it that little extra something. I'm definitely gonna use this more than just for fall. Next up are these taper candles with the brown, orangish brown one, and then the cream colored one. These were $10 for a 4-pack, which I've said before, I'm surprised they gave you 4. I was really expecting them to only give you 2. Last but not least is this candle snuffer, and it is a really pretty gold, that scallop detailing at the bottom, and this thing is huge. I didn't expect it to be this big because my other candle snuffer is so small. It's gorgeous though, and I'm really glad that I got it. This was $10. You will see in the Studio McGee and Hearth Hand line, there's a lot of scallop detailing. So scallop detailing is super in this year. You guys know that I love it, and I've definitely been buying into it. It's just a really pretty detail to have on your home decor. Next up is HomeGoods. I only purchased 2 things from them, and I got this really beautiful butterfly picture in an oval gold frame, but it's just got all of those fall colors in there, and I love butterflies. It was only $16.99, so I went ahead and purchased this. I think I got this in June. I don't know if it's supposed to be for fall, but it looked fall to me, so I picked it up to put somewhere for my fall decor. I don't quite know where it's going yet. The second thing I bought from HomeGoods is this Call It Home book. This was $19.99. You can purchase this on Amazon, so I'll be sure to link this in the description box for you. It is, I think it's $24.99 on Amazon. Sometimes it's $20, but not that big of a price difference, and this color is perfect for fall. I have not read it. I haven't read any of my coffee table books, and I need to, so I'm not just buying them for decor, but it's beautiful to have on display for fall. Moving on to Hobby Lobby, I purchased these really pretty, they look like baby's breath. I don't know if they are. And I have some in a neutral color, a neutral tan color, cream color. But I liked this for fall. It's a little bit darker, $5.99 each, but then you get them 40% off. I purchased just 2 of these, and I do cut them shorter so I can put them in smaller vases. As you can see here, I have a lot more greenery to show you. Well, I only have 3 more stems to show you, but I bought a bunch of them. So the next Hobby Lobby stem is this. You guys know I love using the cosmos to decorate with, and they came out with 2 new fall colors. This is one of them. It's kind of like the brown mixed with burnt orange. It kind of matches my cardigan. The price has gone up on the cosmos to $6.99 each, but then you get the 40% off. They also had this orange color. It was kind of like a yellowish orange, so I didn't get those because it doesn't match my decor, but you can see I've already been playing around with them and doing trial and error for my fall decor, but I had to get my hands on these. I think I got 4 of these. They're absolutely stunning. The last florals that I got from Hobby Lobby are these hydrangeas. They're kind of an orangey brown color, which is a recurring theme that I have apparently. These are $12.99 a piece before any discounts. From Michael's, I purchased these thistle stems. I bought 3 of the orange and 3 of the toast color. These are $5.99 a piece. Michael's fall decor is now 40% off, so you can purchase these for 40% off. That's all I purchased from Michael's as well. I think I want to get a piece or 2 from their new fall collection, but I haven't picked any of it up yet. So if I do, I'll be sure to put it in my haul with the Hearth Hand collection. It's not fall without some new fall candles, so I did pick up a few from Bath & Body Works. First up, this might be one of my new favorite candles now. My favorite candle is the Pompous scent from Hearth Hand, and this one smells amazing as well. It is the Salted Amber and Vetiver. It is such a clean smell. It's salted amber, fresh orange flower, and rich vetiver. Oh my gosh, highly recommend this. It's just very fresh, very clean, and the perfect scent that you want to go up your nostrils. Another scent I really like, which kind of reminds me of this, is Book Loft, which they don't sell anymore sadly, but this one is stronger and smells just as good as Book Loft. I also went ahead and purchased a pumpkin spice latte candle. Now, I feel like for fall you do need one of these like sweet smelling bakery candles. This is pumpkin pie spice, freshly brewed espresso, homemade whipped cream, sprinkling of cinnamon sugar. Smells so good. I haven't burned this one yet, but I'm sure it's gonna smell amazing in our home. This also goes really nicely with a lot of people's fall decor, the color of it, so I like the packaging a lot. I did get these while they had their 3-wick candle sale, so they're originally $26.95 and I got them for $12.95 each. I also had a 20% off coupon. On top of that, I had a reward for something up to $16.95, which the single wick candles are $16.95, so I picked up a sweater weather candle. This is fresh sage, juniper berries, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh wood. This is a much more masculine scent. I bought this candle years ago when I was playing a specific video game, so it just brings me back to when I was playing that game and burning this candle every time I smell it. With the sales and my free gift and my 20% off coupon, I spent I think $22 on all of these candles, which is less than one 3-wick candle is originally. Last, I want to show you some thrifted books that I purchased from a used bookstore. I did decorate with some for summer, and I purchased some in fall colors as well. I already had a short video showing you guys these books, but I'm gonna go ahead and show them again in case you missed that. I picked up Mercedes of Castile and the Pilot by J. Fenimore Cooper. And they have this pretty brown color and gold on the front. They're super old. I think they're from the 1800s, 1863. and I purchased all of these books anywhere from $1 to $10, which is amazing for vintage books in my opinion. I got volume 1 of Dickens' works. This is also from the 1800s, no, 1905, according to the inside. Someone just wrote it, so I don't really know. It could be older, and it's got the pretty burgundy color and the gold on there, so I thought this would be perfect for fall. I especially love the spine. I bought a couple of burnt orange brown books. This one is The Outline of History by H.G. Wells and The Mysterious Island by Jules Verne. Beautiful covers as well. And then I got a couple of matching books, The Way of All Flesh and 5 Great Dialogues by Samuel Butler and Plato. Really nice spines, pretty covers. And lastly, I purchased some Sherlock Holmes stories, which I do actually want to read. It's really small, but it's really cute, and I do want to read this. And this was only $1. You can't beat that. Thank you guys for joining me for today's fall decor haul. I'm so ecstatic that fall is finally, it's not here, but fall decorating season is here. You can buy all the pumpkin stuff in Target now. I did buy some pumpkin cream cold brew. I got some pumpkin cold foam, and it's actually pumpkin pie spice. It tastes so good. And I got some Starbucks pumpkin spice latte creamer. So excited if you couldn't tell. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Please consider clicking on one of these videos that just popped up to you, and I hope to see you in the next one.